This is docket for Wednesday, January 5th, and I'm going to call it by order of appearance. I have to explain that I have not been able to get into my Zoom. I've got technical problems, so I fortunately came into the courthouse today, even though I didn't realize that we're not going to be doing in person anymore until February 1st, I think it is what it's saying. Anyway, so I'm having problems with getting into Zoom. So I'm using the computer in the courtroom. All right, having explained a little bit about why the delay occurred, I'm going to call the first person is Ashley Morgan. Connecting. Okay, I'll come back. George Sharman.
Judge, I'm present. I am in a plea colloquy right now in County Court 5. May I be briefly excused?
Yes, sir. Come on back whenever you get free, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Fernando Ramos.
Morning, Judge. I have Mr. Richardson. I see him on the board. Could I get into a room with him, please? He
Yes.
has a pending felony set in February, Judge.
Okay, I'm going to send you to a breakout room. I'm going to reset that to March 1st.
Thank you,
And give you
Judge.
plenty of time to get that resolved. And then since I gave you your reset date, you're welcome to leave from the breakout room, okay? And Mr. Richardson is also welcome to leave at that time, okay?
Thank you, Judge. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
Ronald Fenari.
Yes, morning, Judge.
Morning.
Page 6, David Johnson, 655902.
Okay.
I'd like to confer with the state, please, Judge.
All right. So is Mr. Johnson here, Mr. Fenari?
He should be, but yes, I see him in there.
Okay. All right, great. I'll mark him present. All right, you'll get a breakout room momentarily, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. All right. Ernesto Acevedo.
Morning, Judge. I am here on Richard's West.
Okay.
I know my paralegal spoke to him yesterday. I don't see him on our dashboard. But if I could confer with the DAs, I think they have to dismiss the case today. The statute of limitations is passed. And I don't believe it's ever been filed.
Oh, okay. All right. So we'll put you in a breakout room momentarily. And if in fact it gets dismissed, we don't need to have him appear. But
Okay.
we'll wait and see what that ends up being, okay?
Okay.
He is present, Your Honor.
He is present. Thank you. All right. Okay, I see him now. All right. Let me see. Miss Ashley Morgan.
Hi, Judge. Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. I am on Linda Arredondo.
Okay. Is she here? I'm not seeing her.
We're on a motion to withdraw, Judge. We have emailed her repeatedly. We've called her. I've searched obituaries. I cannot find her or get a hold of her.
Okay.
And so we reached out to pretrial as well. So I think they filed something to try and get a hold of her as well.
Okay. So basically you've submitted your motion to withdraw on that already?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And you're appointed on that or hired?
No, we were retained.
Okay. All right. Well, so how long has it been now that she has not been in communication with you?
She has, let's see. Trying to see the last.
I'm not required to follow your agreement, but if I don't follow, I'm forced to give you
The last actual contact we had with her. I believe it was in September, Judge, and we've been trying to get a hold of her since then.
Okay. Okay. All right. So I will look for your motion to withdraw. Okay.
I will forward it to you. Let me see if I think Alita just sent me a message that you do need an order, so I'll make sure there's an order attached to the motion.
Yes. Okay, great. Thank you. Okay.
All right.
So you don't have anything else on our docket?
That's it, Judge.
Okay, well, you have a great day, Miss Morgan. Thank you.
Thank you. You too.
So, Mr. Smith, I see you are present, sir. Can you unmute yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Good morning. So
Morning, ma'am.
your attorney is Elizabeth Russell.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. She is probably in another court, so we're going to wait for her. Are you okay to wait, or do you need to get to work?
I swap shift, so I don't need to be working later on this afternoon.
Okay, all right, sir. Well, you're welcome to wait. I just didn't want to.
Thank you.
Needed to move on to work or something. All right, thank you.
I appreciate that.
Vernon Hughes, can you unmute yourself, please?
How you doing, Judge?
Good morning. How are you, Mr. Hughes?
All right.
Okay, so you are Mr. Nettles' client?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You are welcome to wait for him. I'm sure he's stuck in another court right now. We will be waiting for him, but if you need to be excused to go to work or, you know, take care of some other important matter, I can do that and mark you present. So whatever you want to do, you're welcome to wait if you'd like.
All right, I'll wait.
All right, thank you, sir. All right. All right, there's some people in the courtroom, Deputy Butler, is that right?
Yes, ma'am. I don't see her on the docket.
Okay.
Because it says her docket appearance is 12/2/21.
Oh,
Nothing was
okay.
updated. This is Henry Collins, just needs an effect. Paperwork was there, you signed it, but it hadn't been printed or entered.
Okay. And okay, what is his name?
Colorado,
Alvarado?
yeah, bottom of page 5.
Oh, thank you. I see it. Okay.
No, that means not appointed for you. Okay. He is the court appointed lawyer and his warrant was recalled, but just now entered into the system.
Okay. All right. So I guess we can put him in a breakout room with Aleda.
You need this smartphone to do that, since you're on that computer that I put people in
Oh.
breakout rooms.
Okay.
You have a smartphone? Okay. You know how to do Zoom? Never tried it. Okay. I'll set you up. You got the Zoom app downloaded?
Mr. Sharman, good morning, sir.
Your Honor, may I make an announcement?
Yes, sir.
Was in the system?
He's not in his chair right now, Mr. Sharman, but he'll be right back.
What was your announcement, Mr. Sharman?
Okay, Oscar, I just shared the fee agreement on the 16 sheds with you. So if you don't get it, let me know and I'll start working on the plea papers for Mr. Vasquez.
Thank you. Yeah, I do see it. I do see the one for Sanchez.
Do you need just the plea agreement or do you need the abstraction packet and the discovery as well?
So, Mr. Sharman, are you at the courthouse?
Okay, if you need the other.
Not sure. Yeah, I usually kind of do. Yeah, we go like.
Can you unmute yourself, Mr. Sherman, please?
Yes, Judge.
All right.
We have not gotten the information from the laboratory yet. I believe you've signed the order, but I checked again this morning and it's hasn't been received, the diskettes by the DA's office.
And what's the name of your client?
Robles?
Do you have a cause number on that?
Yes, it's it is trying to read without my glasses.
Oh, I know, that's fine.
44773.
I found it on page 6. It's 644-773. Okay, and Mr. Robles is not present. Have you had a chance to talk to him, Mr. Sharman?
I stay up with him with my client, but I have not talked with him this morning.
Okay, so you don't know if he was aware of that he needed to be here today?
No, I'm not clear on that. And I've got this other hearing that I'm involved in, so I can't really check on that right now. They're waiting for me to complete this plea.
All right. Can you have your office call him and ask him to come in so I can mark him present, please? Otherwise, I'll need to
Just let me ask my secretary here. Was Robles notified of the hearing today? Yes.
Yes.
9.
Yes.
Okay, can you tell him to log in so that the court can see him?
Yes.
Okay.
You have this file?
I do. We're doing that right now, Judge.
I appreciate it. Thank you very much. So you need to go on to do your other, take care of your other matter?
All right. Thank you, Judge.
All right, so I'm going to give you a reset date, Mr. Sharman. I'm going to reset this to
Yes, Your Honor.
February 15, Mr. Sharman.
1/5/15.
2/15.
2/15.
Yeah, that's what I wrote.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you. You have a good day.
You too.
Not on the docket, but here's her printouts. Ms. Martinez, it's in the courtroom. It says 12/2/21.
Okay. Ms. Martinez? You'll come up, please. Good morning.
Good morning.
So I'm happy that you did come by, but actually,
I was at Parker.
so were you supposed to have been here the 12th of December?
No, ma'am, I got arrested on 12/2/21. It was when I seen the judge while being
Okay.
held. And then they told me to come in on the 5th,
Okay,
and I don't, everything's the computer, and it's kind of complicating because I don't get dates or anything, and trying to call somebody is like,
you don't get what?
no date, no court dates. I don't even know who my attorney is.
Yeah, okay. Well, you know what? I don't see who's your attorney. So I'm going to ask that you talk to, well, you have a right to have an attorney. I can reset you and give you a new court date so you can hire someone. Or if you feel like you would like to see if you qualify for a court appointed, then you can talk to Ms. Castillo and see if we can get you lined up with a court appointed attorney. Which would you prefer?
A court appointed.
All right. All right. Do you happen to have like a smartphone of some kind? Because I'm using the one computer that we have in the courtroom. Okay. All right. So I'm going to put you in we'll be putting you in a breakout room. What you'll see on your phone, it'll say join breakout room number 5 or whatever. And if you click on that, then you'll be talking to Miss Castillo. She'll have questions for you and then she'll give you information. Okay. So at this point in time, I'm going to reset you to February 15. Okay. So one thing I do want to make sure you understand is I'm very happy that you did show up today, even though you're not on today's docket, because I'm expected to issue a warrant if you do not show up for court. So I'm sorry?
How come it says that I missed court? I had my court was 12/2 is when the day I got incarcerated, was the day that I seen the judge while in custody.
Yeah, unfortunately, this pandemic has caused a lot of problems.
Okay.
And one of them is communication. Sometimes, there's a breakdown along the way somehow. So that's all I can tell you. It's just error because we're working under different circumstances. They're really complicated. It's just not like being here in court.
Okay.
So,
Well, I'm happy I came in and I get the court date directly from you.
yeah.
Thank you.
So for now, I'm telling you, you need to be back February 15 without fail, okay? But just, if you'll wait a little bit, we'll get you in contact with Miss Castillo and she can help you see about getting an attorney, okay? All right, just have a seat. Thank you. All right. Yeah, I need to put her in a breakout room. Angelina. All right. All right, so Mr. Nettles, good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. How are you doing, Judge?
I'm good, thank you. You are here, on Mr. Smith, right?
Vernon Hughes.
Oh, I'm looking at the wrong line. You're right. Okay. And
Mr. Hughes has a pending felony that's out of the same transaction. And my firm does represent him on the felony in the 399th District Court. It's currently unindicted. So we're just asking for a reset at this time, Your Honor.
we'll reset that to March 1.
All right. Then may me and Mr. Hughes be excused.
Yes, sir. You all have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. It's good to see you again. Hope you had a good holiday.
Oh, yes. I hope that 2022 is going to be better for all of us.
Yeah, hopefully, right? Have a good one, Judge.
Take care. Bye-bye. Miss Morgan?
Yes, on that Linda Arredondo case,
Yes.
she emailed me as I was logging off
Oh,
that she could not get the Zoom link open. So I'm trying to get her logged on. And that way maybe I can go into a breakout room and we can talk about whether or not she wants me to stay on her case.
okay, great. Well, Zoom sometimes does end up with positive results, right?
Yes, we finally get a hold of them.
Your Honor, and Mr. John Robles has arrived. That's Mr. George Sharman's client.
Okay, Mr. Robles, good morning, sir. Thank you. I appreciate your showing up. Because when you do not show up, I'm expected to issue a warrant. I do not want to do that. So I'm going to mark you present, sir, and I'm going to excuse you. And we have reset your matter for February 15. Okay. So you will need to be back in court on February 15 without fail, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. You have a great day.
Sure.
You can log off at this time. Mr. Huerta, will you please unmute yourself, sir?
It's well.
Good morning. Your attorney is here and he's actually conferring with the state. You're welcome to wait for him to finish, but if you need to get back to work, I can excuse you and I'm going to reset this most likely to February 15. Okay, so just stay in touch with your lawyer, and if you need to, and it looks like you're at work, you can log off at this time. I'm marking you present. Okay.
Okay. I did hear him say, okay, I'll give him a call this afternoon.
All right.
Hello?
Yes, sir. So you're welcome to log off. You come back
Oh, you
February.
had cut off. I didn't hear you.
Okay, so you come back to court
right,
February
thank you.
15. Can you hear me?
Okay.
Can you hear
You
me?
said he was confirmed? Yeah, you had cut off. You said he was confirmed? Yes, I can hear you.
He's conferring with the state.
You said he was confirming with the state what?
He's talking to the district attorney on your case.
Okay.
Okay, and it looks like you are at work, so okay, wait, can I finish talking, sir? Okay, so I was going to excuse you so you can get back to work. I'm just going to tell you that I'm resetting it for February 15. You'll need to be back in court on that date, but you can log off at this time. I've marked you present. Can you hear me?
Thank you.
All right, thank you, sir. You have a good day.
Yes. You too.
All right. Mr. Funari, did you have a chance to confirm?
I did, Your Honor. She's going to, the state's going to have to review the video again regarding the DWI. So we're going to ask for a 30-day reset, please.
Okay, let's come back on February 15.
Sounds good. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Mr. Funari. And then Mr. Johnson is welcome to log off at this time. Have a great day,
Sounds
Mr. Funari. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Judge, may I, this is Ashley Morgan again, maybe excuse briefly while I try and find, the number for Ms. Arredondo is still not working, but
Yes.
she responded to an email and she has not responded back since 10:30.
Okay.
I may want to recall it for maybe tomorrow morning to see if I
Sure.
can get a hold of her and then talk to her before we like issue warrants or do motions to withdraw.
And why don't we do that? Why don't we just recall it for tomorrow morning?
Okay.
That's Thursday, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, well, we'll see you all tomorrow at 10, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
Hello, Judge.
Good morning, yes.
It's Anthony Smith here, ma'am, waiting on Miss Russell.
Yes,
Is
sir.
there a way that we can reset it for tomorrow or at a later date? I just got a call. I need to.
Okay, so she's in another court. You wanted me to excuse you at this time?
Yes, ma'am, if that's possible.
Absolutely. I'm going to excuse you, and it's about 10:54. I'm documenting it so I can tell Miss Russell that you were here and I've marked you present, okay? Just
Yes,
stay in
ma'am.
touch with her so that I don't know what kind of reset she's going to need. So I'm going to tell her when you need to be back in court, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I appreciate that, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. You have a good day. Take care.
You too, ma'am. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Mr. Johnson, David Johnson. Mr. Johnson? I can't ask him to unmute because I'm not host.
I've been doing that, Your Honor, and also requested him to get his video going.
Okay.
That was Mr. Fenari's client.
Yeah, so that apparently he's doing something else. Okay, well. Oh, Mr. Johnson. Okay,
Hello.
sir, we're just wanting to let you know that Mr. Fenari has gotten this. All right. All right. Okay, can you just continue the video on you while I talk to you, sir? Okay, I see what's going on. Can you not hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay, I have reset your matter to February 15. You are excused and you're welcome to log off at this time.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Acevedo, good morning. You had a chance to confer?
I did, Judge. They are going to dismiss this case today. It is past statute of limitations. If Mr. Huerta is around, though, I know he lives in Houston. I'd like to explain something to him if I could.
Okay, I'm sorry, but I did excuse him at 10:52.
Okay, that's fine. I can call him.
Okay.
But
All right.
it's being dismissed.
All right. Thank you very much, Mr. Acevedo. You have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
Darlin 13A, will you please unmute yourself and turn on your video? Darlin 13A. Can you get her to unmute herself, Aleda, and turn on her video?
I have, there she is, Your Honor. She's in custody.
All right. Good morning. What is your name, please? What is your name, please?
Darlene Amber Knudsen.
Darlene
Amber
Amber.
Knudsen.
Okay. And who is your attorney?
I don't know.
Your Honor, her attorney is David Garcia. Apparently, his wife has COVID and he's having issues respiratory himself. So this case was reset to February the 3rd.
All right. Okay, Miss, I didn't get the last name. What is it, Aleda?
Knudsen.
Knudsen. Okay, Miss Knudsen.
Yes.
We're resetting your matter till February 3rd because your attorney is not able to be in court due to the COVID. And
I'm in custody now. Is there any way I can get a PR bond to get out? Because I was at Walmart and I asked to come in because I thought my court date was on.
I can only hear half of what you're saying.
Is there any way I can get a PR bond to get out of jail? Because I didn't violate any laws. I just asked the Metro police officer if he could take me into jail because I thought I had court that day. And I was trying to get on the bus to go to the courthouse.
Yeah, okay. Yeah,
I didn't violate any laws.
the
He
best,
just
the
took me
best
to
thing
the
I
jail.
can do is reset you, um,
Your Honor, if you wish, I could call Mr.
Garcia?
Garcia and see how soon he can come in on this case.
well, why can't he just appear through Zoom?
Let me see if I can call him right now and see if he can come in.
All right,
Thank you.
thank you. All right, Ms. Knotson, we're going to try to get a hold of him, see if he can come in through Zoom. I don't know if he feels well enough, but we'll try that, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Judge.
All right, you're welcome.
Copy, showing route to the annex of 5 at 10:59.
Okay. I am going to take a 10-minute break. I will be back. I'm going to mute myself.
Okay, Judge.
Okay. Thank you.
So, Ms. Sanchez, were you wanting to talk to me?
Oh,
Okay.
just commenting on the 10-minute break that you were going to take.
Oh, okay. All right.
We're good to go.
Okay, great. Well, I'm going to go ahead and I'll be gone for 10 minutes. I'll be back in a bit.
Yes, ma'am.
Aleda, those two have been emailed to you.
Thank you. I'll look into it right away.
All right, all right. rushed in the morning and you never get time for your coffee.
No, exactly. Most of the time, I don't have breakfast.
Well, I eat it, I get here at about 7:10 every morning. I'll get the taco filling and just have them put it on a plate,
Yeah,
scrambled eggs and stuff like that. Then they said they weren't gonna start making as much breakfast stuff as they did because they're throwing away a lot.
oh,
And I said, throw it away? Hell no.
no,
Put it in a clamshell.
yeah,
I'll come down for your clothes. Hey, you got leftovers?
Yeah.
Then I'll go pay for it and I'll take it home. That's
Yeah.
dinner. I
yeah,
don't care. Don't throw it
Can't
away.
beat
I'll take it.
that.
I'll buy it, and take it
yeah,
home.
yeah.
That means I don't have to cook. I'll share some taco stuff with my dog.
And it's a good solution for them because they don't, they don't lose money,
No,
you know?
because they didn't make any chorizo and potato or chorizo and egg or sausage, bacon and egg or nothing like that. Taco filling. It's like, so now if you want eggs, you gotta do them on a flat top. Yeah. I'm like, oh gosh, all right. So
Man.
give me 2 eggs in. And then let me have some of that.
You don't have problem with cholesterol? Oh, I'm not
No, you're not
muted
muted.
anymore.
You're not live, are you? Were you muted? No.
I was earlier, but I just undid it. Okay, so, well, it looks like we don't have anybody waiting. Okay, I'm gonna mute myself. Okay, I'm muted now. I'll be here so I can see what's going on, but
Okay. Don't look over here when I fall asleep.
you what?
Don't look over here when I fall asleep.
Judge, you're still unmuted, just FYI.
I am unmuted.
Yes, ma'am, I think it accidentally unmuted.
Oh.
When you turned your video off. There you go.
slept in one day.
Good morning, Miss Russell. How are you today?
I'm good, Judge. I apologize. I'm in Guadalupe in person and it's
No
hard
problem.
to multitask.
Yeah, no, it's not a problem. Let me see, you are here on Anthony Smith.
That's correct, Judge, and we would like to confer.
All right, we'll put you in a breakout room. Now, we did, I believe we want to give you another case. So I think Aleda sent, yeah. Let's see, David Garcia.
And Judge, I'm happy to accept that case. We did take a 3-month hiatus from misdemeanor appointed cases.
Oh, did you?
But I can take that case just moving forward. I'll let the court know when we're taking misdemeanors on again. We'd like to use this time that the court is kind of in a pause on trials to really move some cases.
So I'm just a little bit confused. I have a notation that we already appointed somebody else. I'll let Aleda, let's see, so Miss Knotson, is that the one that was in? No, that was Martina.
Yeah, that's the one that you want to appoint, Judge.
Yeah, okay. Oh, there she is. It's Knutson, K-N-U-T. Okay. All right. So we'll go ahead and put Miss Russell on this. Okay, Aleda?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for being willing to accept this, Miss Russell.
Absolutely, Judge.
All right. So we are going to put you in a breakout room so you can get going on these cases. Okay?
Perfect.
Thanks. And thank you for the coffee.
You're very
Thank you
welcome.
so much.
I always use a styrofoam cup because in paper cups, the coffee gets cold too quick.
Yeah. Yeah, they stay nice and warm. Except that styrofoam is bad for the environment.
Burn it.
Huh?
Burn it.
Is that what
Put in
they
some
do?
gasoline and just dissolve.
Is that what they do? They don't do that, do they?
It just goes landfill. You're unmuted, by the way.
I did have that happen one time. I don't remember what I was doing. And
Hi, Miss Knudsen. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I am good. So they just appointed me to your case. I don't have any of the offense reports or anything, but you want to tell me what's going on?
Yeah, I was at a bus stop at Walmart and I told the
Hey, Miss Russell, Miss Russell.
Oh, I'm sorry, Judge. I thought I was in a breakout room. All I could see was Miss Knudsen.
Yeah, that's what I figured because I thought you'd probably want to be in a breakout room. Okay, we'll put you.
I would like to. I am so sorry.
No, it's okay. Well, go ahead and put Miss Knudsen in with you, okay?
Ms. Russell, before you go though, just an FYI, there are currently 4 County Court 9 cases associated with this defendant.
Okay. I appreciate that update.
How many cases?
That's okay. We're going to put you in a breakout room with Miss Russell and she can give you information that you need and vice versa. Okay, Miss Knudsen?
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thank you, ma'am.
And then Judge, I'm sorry. Before I go in there, we're gonna do a reset
Okay.
on Mr. Smith
Okay.
while the state gets some documentation on restitution.
Okay. How about February 15? Will that work for you?
I think that sounds great.
Okay. And we'll probably just do that with Ms. Knudsen's case too. We'll set it for the same date so you don't have to make 2 different trips.
Am I going to be in jail the entire time until the next court date?
I'm gonna talk to you, Ms. Knudsen, so give me just a second.
And that's it. That's communication between you and your attorney, ma'am. You're entitled to your privacy. So we're going to put you in a breakout room, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. So if Aleda will please move.
I did put breakout room 1 and Ms. Russell can go back to the same one.
Okay.
So I don't know if this lady knows how to go in the breakout room.
Okay, so you'll look at your screen, Ms. Knudsen,
Yes.
and you'll see a prompt that says join breakout room number 1. If
Yeah.
you click on that, then you'll be able to communicate with your attorney, okay?
There she goes. And then Judge, is it okay if we're excused from that room since we already have a reset date?
Absolutely. You have a
Thank
wonderful
you.
day, Ms. Russell. Thank you very much.
You as well.
Oh.
I almost started going earmuffs, earmuffs, earmuffs.
So I believe that the only ones that I am lacking that are coming would be Mr. Hitchens. He was gonna be running late, and Jason Joyner, I don't know where to expect him. He's got about 5 pages worth of speeding tickets. And the only one, Your Honor, if the bailiff can call out Kenyatta Jeanette Valdez. Notice was sent out to her. She's on page 7.
So on Kenyatta Valdez,
No answer, Judge.
no answer. Okay. And that's cause number 665-300. She does not have an attorney. Is that right, Aleda?
That's correct, Your Honor. Notice has been sent.
So I guess when she gets picked up. When was your case filed? Do you have that? The information?
Do you have the cause number, Judge? I can try and look that up.
665-300.
For Valdez?
Uh-huh. Kenyatta Janet Valdez.
And you're wanting to know what, Judge?
When was the information filed?
The information was filed July 14th of 2021.
So you got a mail notice.
Okay. So, but Aleda, you're assuming since you sent mail to her and it didn't get returned within how many days that she got it?
That's a canal right there.
Oh, did you? Okay.
It was November 9th when it went out.
Oh, okay. So it was sent November 9, but we didn't get it back in 30 days, right? I mean, we're assuming she got notice because we sent her written notice.
Yeah, to the last notice.
Yeah, okay. I just wanted to double check on that. Okay, so that'll have to be a bond forfeiture. Although the offense is not extremely egregious. Does she have other cases?
No.
Could that be a bounce check?
Don't know. Let's see.
No, that wasn't a police report. I don't think you could tell.
Well, I hate to do it, but can you tell Ms. Sanchez if that's the only thing she has?
Yes, Judge, I can run her SID really quick.
Yeah, that's the only case she's got.
Oh. So can you tell if that's just a bad check case?
Judge, I do not believe it is. Normally, if it is a theft by check case or a bad check case, the DA's office would be the agency.
Okay.
And the current agency is SAPD.
Oh, okay. All right. So then it was shoplifting or something like that, I guess, right?
Yes, ma'am, probably, most likely, yes.
Okay. Is this the first time that she's on our docket, Aleda?
Let me see that.
That's her FTA already.
This is the third time.
Okay, all right. Okay, so not a problem. BF. Okay. Hmm?
Quick, fast, and in a hurry, get it done.
Let me see. Ms. Sanchez?
I'm gonna.
Yeah. Uh,
Yes, ma'am.
We have, I think, 5 pages of traffic appeals, and Mr. Joyner's the attorney on those. I think, can you come by and you and I can go over those? Because I think I think he has the impression he's already satisfied all of those. But there's something about the language and the plea that we need to maybe modify so that I could just go ahead and close those out.
Yeah, Judge, I reached out to him as well to see if there were any issues with these, but the DA's office has graciously allowed us to work from home.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
While we are trying to get through the
All right.
last part of COVID that's taking place right now.
Actually,
so not in the office.
That's not a problem. Actually, I came to the courthouse today because I thought, you know, being the new year, I should start trying to be here more in person. But it turns out we're not supposed to be here until February 1 now because of this Omicron or whatever you call it. So.
Yes, ma'am. It seems like the cases are just increasing, and so the DA's office has allowed us, unless you would need me to come in to the courtroom, I can do that. Well,
I think that he is under the impression he's done what we needed on those, but he was. I think the clerks were worried about the language, so that I needed something to be able to close them out because he's already done the contributions, the donations on those. So yeah, but I think since he's not here, let's just we'll look at him in February. It just means it'll take longer to close them out, but we're not going to proceed on them because I think we're done. So.
Okay, Judge.
Okay. All right. So, Mr. Pitchens, good morning, or good afternoon.
Good morning, Your Honors.
How are you today?
Oh, this is, I guess, my 4th or 5th court this morning. I'm on Stephanie Cedillo.
Okay.
She's on page 6, or at least my page 6. It may not be your page 6 of the docket.
Yeah, I see it. Okay.
No, it's actually page 8.
Page 8?
My eyes are getting bad. I thought it was the 6th, but it says page 8. She's the 3rd one from the bottom, or from the top.
The top, I got it.
And she's got a possession or unlawful carrying of a weapon in this court. But then she's also got a felony out of the 186 where she's indicted forging a commercial instrument, namely a check. She has a court appearance in the 186 by computer on February the 11th, 2022. And then she's got 2 unindicted felony cases, fraud use of possessing of ID information, less than 5. And she's got a possession controlled substance 1 to 4 that's unindicted, and there is a lab test result back, so I'm surprised that's still unindicted.
Yeah, so basically, and you're the attorney on the felonies also?
I'm the attorney on all of them, Your Honor.
Let's reset that then. And she is not here, but I guess.
I just sent her an email. She may have been there earlier. I wasn't expecting to be this late.
Yeah. We're going to reset that to March the 1st. I think she has enough on her plate. I'm not going to worry about a BF, but if you will just remind her that on March 1st, she does need to be here.
Okay, I will, Your Honor.
Okay. All right.
May I be excused?
Yes, sir. You have a great day. You take care.
You have a good New Year, better than last year anyway.
Yes. Hopefully big time better. Take care.